class. My name is William Gordon. The artifact I will be talking about is the compass. A compass is a device used in navigation to determine geographic direction. It works by a magnetic needle that always points north. The compass, first discovered in the 12th century by the Chinese. They discovered that a piece of loadstone, which is a naturally occurring magnetic ore, when it's floating on a stick in water, it tends to point in the north direction. When the loadstone touches a steel needle long enough, the needle also aligns itself in the north and south directions. In Social Construction of Technology approach, Pinch and Baker state that the equivalent of the first stage of the empirical program of relativism approach would seem to be the demonstration that technological artifacts are culturally constructed and interpreted. There is a flexibility an artifact is designed. Over the years, there has been a number of improvements. A lot of these improvements were made by the English. The English in the 13th century had a very big navy and relied heavily on navigational instruments. They made improvements like using a needle that was mounted on a pin that sat in the middle of a bowl. First, just north and south directions were shown, but over time, 30 principal marks were added around the bowl. The bowl hung on gambles. There were rings on the side of the bowl that allowed for the bowl to swing freely around. There are some different kinds of designs of the compass: the dry compass, the bearing compass, and the liquid compass. The liquid compass, which is heavily used today. Being used for navigation changed the design as it is today, small and compact, and can be put in the back of your pocket. The compass, used in mostly navigation, allowed for humans to spread out and discover new parts of the world. Humans before the compass used to sight landmarks using the stars and sun used to navigate around. The compass can be used in fog when the landscape cannot be seen, and at night when the clouds are blocking the stars. There are limitations to the technology, which can cause conflict. The compass relies on the magnetic pole, which is slightly different from true north, that is the rotational axis of the Earth. The magnetic compass is not just influenced by north and south pole, but also can be influenced by other magnetic materials around the world. This can cause errors in reading the compass. The technology allowed for humans to discover new parts of the world, even if other humans have inhabited them. History shows that this has caused human conflict with territorial rights. The technology also gave way to trade with other countries and different resources. With discovering new parts of the world, humans discovered other resources that are not currently available in their home country. Trade is now a large part of all economies, thanks to the compass, which made navigation easier and more reliable. The compass was also used in astronomy, building orientation, and mining. Thank you.